Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your Huawei Nova 11. So at the start, a little bit obvious I know, but always check that you have a Do Not Disturb mode deactivated and make sure the icon is deactivated and gray in this place in the top menu. After that you can also try to reinstall your WhatsApp applications. And now the next tips. In the first step, open the settings, go to the mobile network and choose the data usage. Now make sure that you have smart data saver deactivated, and you can also go to the network access, swipe down to the WhatsApp and activate two checkboxes next to WhatsApp icon. In the next step, go to the apps and services, tap on the apps and look for your WhatsApp icon. Choose the notifications and make sure that you have this switcher activated. You can also pin the message to the top and choose the gentle notifications, but I don't recommend that. After that, remember to turn on the bubbles and go to the more settings to turn on the high priority notifications. After that, you can also try to update your system. Go to the system and updates in the settings, choose the software update, and if you have any updates, just load that and install. And in the last step, you can also try to reset your network settings, so open the reset network settings, tap on this button, configure a pattern, and tap on this button again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.